So here we have the Vauxhall Corsa on a 20 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside though, you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with the 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. But now that we've done a full circle, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials, which as you can see in this car are digital. Down in that bottom left-hand corner, we have the rev counter. We have the total miles of the car, which is 7,075, so very low mileage for the car's age. Coolant temperature gauge is just to the right-hand side of centre, and to the right-hand side of that, the fuel gauge for the car. And then we have the digital readout for the speedometer. Up in the top right-hand corner, it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic, so of course we are in park at the moment. If we back out to the steering wheel, we have cruise control available. We have phone and stereo controls, and behind the steering wheel, the minus and plus paddle so that you can change up and down the gear manually with this automatic gearbox, should you wish to do that. Over in the center, we then have the main touchscreen for the car, which as you can see includes satellite navigation. There's a full video that we've done on our website and also on our YouTube channel that shows this sat-nav system in action if you wish to check that out. You can see the various options down the bottom here, one of which is audio. So on here, you'll be able to access your AM, FM and DAB radio. There are other ways to listen to your music as well though. So you've got the radio of course, we've got Bluetooth audio, USB input and iPod input. And if you connect up your smartphone, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are both available as well. Have the main volume for the stereo just there. Beneath that section, we've got the dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the temperature. You can adjust the fan speed. You can determine what direction you'd like the air conditioning to be distributed in. When you're happy with those settings, your air conditioning is off or back on again. You can hit also, if you wish to, the car will then take control essentially of the fan speed and the direction of the air to maintain whatever temperatures you've asked for. The temperatures also show passenger side and driver side up on the main screen as well for reference. We've also got a driver's heated seat with 3 heat settings, are the same over there for the passenger side. USB input and a 12-volt charging socket, some storage down here. We have the ability to turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. System's off when that light shows. We can turn our lane departure warning system off. We can turn off our traction control. We can turn off the interior alarm and the parking sensors for the car as well. We then have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, the electronic handbrake, and this button will change the driving mode of the car from sport to normal or eco. And whatever mode you are in will show up on your dials just here. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see this ULEZ compliant car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call either of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.